Hello, my name is Abir and I'm from SkillCurve, and today we will be talking about cluster analysis in Power BI. So cluster analysis is done on scatter plot. So let's select that from our visualization pane, and then you need to add in the numerical values in the x-axis and the y-axis. So here for the x-axis, I will choose the total sales from the measure table and then drag it to the y-axis block here. For x-axis, I will choose the amount from the orders table. This is also the numeric value, and by default it is summed up, so we will drag it to our x-axis here. And now we need to add something in our values. We can see just one dot because Power BI is summing up the amount and the total sales, and that is why we see only one dot here. So for this example, I will select the customer company, and you can see our visuals now, and each company has one dot depending on the total sales and the total amount. And now for example, I want to cluster these points, and to do that I will click on the three dots here and then click on automatically find clusters, and a prompt will open up. Here you can name the cluster, and you can see that we have a field here which is the customer company we chose earlier, and then we can also write a description. And now you can define the number of clusters as well. We can leave that as auto, and Power BI will automatically calculate and give us the clusters accordingly. But let's define the number of clusters as 4 and see the results. Now you can see your cluster here is separated by different colors, and each of these colors are different clusters, and this is just a great functionality you can use for your dataset. And now if you want to modify the cluster, there are two ways to do that. If you see your data field pane, a customer company cluster has automatically generated. So click on the three dots here and then select edit cluster. And now you can change the name of the cluster and also change the number of the clusters as well. So here I'm just changing the number of clusters to 3 and seeing the results. And now you can see your visuals here. Another way to modify this is if you scroll down to the legends here, Power BI automatically placed this when we created our cluster. So click on the three dots here and select edit cluster, and you can change the number of clusters to 4, and you can see your visuals here. So this ends our lab here. I hope that you understood on how to create a cluster in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching.